Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open Terminal now and start by enlarging the text so you can work without strain. Press Command+ to zoom in, hold it briefly for steady increases. Once done, make sure the window profile uses a readable font family and size by visiting Terminal Settings Profiles Text. This ensures future sessions start larger. You do this because temporary zoom is quick, but changing the profile makes it persistent, so you won't repeat the same steps every time. Now, refine the environment. Pick or create a profile and set the exact font size and type you prefer, which affects line wrapping and clarity. Then size the terminal window large enough for comfortable reading, or use full screen or split view for focus. Next, enable macOS Accessibility Zoom if you require screen magnification beyond font scaling. Doing this gives you granular control and helps when large fonts alone don't solve visibility problems. Make sure to save the profile so these settings persist. Finish by making your chosen profile the default. Right-click it and select Use Profile as Default, so every new window opens with your zoomed settings. You can also create custom keyboard shortcuts in System Settings if Command+ conflicts with another app. One common issue: enlarged text appears pixelated. If that happens, change to a higher quality monospaced font like Menlo or SF Mono and increase the font size slightly. This fixes jagged rendering and keeps the terminal crisp and readable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.